or go to parties. Number one, I always bring a protein shake with me. I don't care where I'm going. I've brought protein shakes to weddings before, and I've gotten dirty looks and weird comments, but I take my results into my own hand and I bring protein shakes, okay? A lot of the times when you go out, there's snacks and appetizers and entrees and desserts and drinks, right? So my protein shake acts as a meal replacement for at least one of those things, so I can save calories and prevent overeating throughout the night. So that's the first thing. Second thing I love to bring with me when I go to these parties is a pack of gum. I just pop gum all night long if I need to. I find that I'm a bored and mindless eater sometimes, and I like to hover around the snack table. So chewing gum really gets that oral fixation for me, and it prevents me from my mind wandering to food all the time. You can also switch between fruity and minty flavors, so it'll give you a different flavor. And a really great tip is once you want to stop eating, have a piece of gum after the meal. Because you ever brush your teeth and then try to have a glass of orange juice? Tastes gross, right? Same idea with the gum. It'll prevent you from kind of wanting other flavors in there, and it'll kind of stop you for the night. Last thing I use is Mio water enhancers. You just squeeze them into your water bottle. I usually have 1 or 2 of those in a night when I'm feeling weak or vulnerable, or like I'm losing willpower, or like I want something sweet. That'll help hold me over and push off any more eating if I need to. Plus, it really keeps you full. When you have water up to here, you can't fit much more food in, and you're gonna have to go pee a little bit more, so you'll be in the bathroom back and forth for a little bit, so that'll stop you from overeating as well. So those are my 3 tips. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope they help you.